Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you are just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I did this beautiful wig. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. This is the extension I used for the hair. So when you take the hair out from the pack, it comes with that thing. You just have to cut it out and take out all these bands that is used to pack it. And so I'll go ahead and start using it like that. This is the cap that I use. You can use dome cap or wig cap, any kind of wig cap you have you can use, but this is the one I used for this wig. So I'll just start crocheting it. I'll do the normal crochet style, do the first circle, do the second one, then I'll come back to tell you how I did the third one. So after doing the normal crochet method for the first and the second line, the third line I did the invisible crochet method so as to hide any knot. I don't want to sew this particular hair, so I just did the invisible crochet style. That is what I'm showing you. The knot is actually at the back of the hair and it's not showing at the front, so I'm just crocheting it in instead of taking both inside the loop. I'll just loop the back one so as to hide the knots at the back of the hair, and that was basically what I did.
Stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing.
So for the last row, instead of using the hair like that, I'll go ahead and cut it into two, and then I'll start doing the invisible crochet method to the front as well, but this time it won't be as big as the one I did before. It will be in smaller pieces.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
When I was done crocheting the hair, I started using my hands to finger detangle the hair because you can't comb this hair and it has a lot of knots in it. You have to carefully use your fingers to detangle and pick out all the knots, and that was what I was actually doing here. So I'll just pick out all the knots, try to make it smooth, and yeah.
When you don't have to, there's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
So what I was doing here is just to comb some hair out, some baby hairs. Yeah, so that was actually what I was doing here. You can also use your hands to pull out some hair, but I found it way better this way, using a comb to comb out the hair. It makes it look more realistic and makes it even, because with your fingers you might pick some part out and not pick some part out, but with comb you get to comb out everything round. So I love using comb, and after that, this is the finished look, guys. I love this hair so much. It's so light and so beautiful, yeah, and low maintenance, of course. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share with family, friends, and loved ones. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.